While sometimes we wish we were somewhere warmer, most of the time your electronics would rather be cooler. To help keep them at the ideal temperature, Assmann WSW's V2008B is a lightweight and cost-efficient stamped heatsink designed to cool your TO220 packages. The material is black anodized aluminum, which improves these heatsinks' resistance to wear and corrosion. V2008B's compact finger-shaped design saves valuable board space. The V2008B heatsinks are designed for installing dual TO220 packages with bolts and nuts and have a thermal resistance of 7 Kelvin per watt. Assmann WSW offers other heatsinks with different options for different applications, such as stamped copper heatsinks and extruded aluminum heatsinks. From industrial, automotive to consumer electronics, Assmann WSW has the right heatsink for your product. To learn more or purchase this part, click the link in the description below.